2012 Exomotive Exocet. Price, $12,500. Mileage, 136,000 miles. Location, Jamestown, New York. A true driver's machine built for maximum fun, this 2012 Exomotive Exocet transforms the legendary 1990 Mazda MX-5 Miata into an ultra-lightweight, open-frame performance car with exhilarating handling and an unbeatable power-to-weight ratio. Stripped down to the essentials, the Exocet delivers an authentic go-kart-like driving experience that's equally at home on winding back roads, autocross courses, or track day events. Built on the proven Mazda Miata platform, this Exocet is powered by a reliable engine paired with a manual transmission and rear-wheel drive, offering the responsive shifting and balanced chassis that made the Miata famous. The lightweight Exomotive tubular chassis dramatically enhances acceleration, braking, and cornering, creating a driving experience that few modern sports cars can match. Custom-built Harley-Davidson Racing. Price, $5,800. Location, Nashville, Tennessee. A truly one-of-a-kind machine with an incredible racing heritage, this custom-built electric truckster was originally constructed by the Harley-Davidson Racing team as a track support vehicle, transporting tools, parts, and crew members around the racetrack. Built from the frame-up with a custom body and powered by a dependable 36-volt Exo TXD PDS electric drivetrain, this unique utility vehicle has been thoughtfully upgraded for modern performance, reliability, and street-legal operation. One of the biggest improvements is the installation of a premium 128 Leaf APO4 lithium battery system, providing significantly more power, zero battery maintenance, and an expected service life of well over a decade. 2020 DF Goblin Kit Car. Price, $19,950. Mileage, 89,000 miles. Location, Dallas, Texas. Built to deliver an unforgettable driving experience, this 2020 DF Goblin No. 224 is an exceptionally well-crafted, street-legal kit car that combines lightweight engineering with thrilling performance. Using a donor drivetrain with approximately 89,000 miles, the Goblin offers razor-sharp handling, impressive acceleration, and an open-air driving experience that rivals exotic sports cars at a fraction of the cost. Wherever it goes, this unique machine attracts attention and sparks conversations with enthusiasts and curious onlookers alike. Designed around DF Kit Car's lightweight tubular chassis, this Goblin features a manual transmission, responsive rear-wheel drive dynamics, and a minimalist performance-focused design that maximizes the power-to-weight ratio. 500 F1 inspired quarter midget race car. Price, $6,000. Location, Oakland, New Jersey. An extraordinary fusion of motorsport history, engineering, and handcrafted artistry. This Ferrari 500 F1, inspired quarter midget, is a one-of-a-kind creation designed to capture the timeless elegance of Ferrari's legendary 1950s Formula One race cars. Built by the original artist and fabricator, this museum-quality machine features a custom monocoque-style aluminum tube chassis wrapped in meticulously hand-formed sheet metal, delivering authentic vintage styling with exceptional craftsmanship throughout. Power comes from a brand new 212 cubic centimeters Predator single-cylinder engine, producing approximately 6.5 horsepower, paired with a torque converter for smooth, reliable performance. 2026 custom homemade wheelbarrow rat rod. Price, $2,000. Condition, custom built. Location, South Pittsburgh, Tennessee. Built to steal the spotlight at every cruise-in and car show, this 2026 custom homemade wheelbarrow rat rod is a creative, one-of-a-kind machine that combines classic rat rod attitude with handcrafted ingenuity. Powered by a dependable 21-horsepower Kohler engine, it features a modified lawn tractor transmission with 5 forward gears and reverse, while a custom pulley setup delivers more speed than a typical mower for an even more entertaining ride. Designed entirely from scratch, this unique build includes a working clutch, golf cart steering box. 1969 Volkswagen Baja Bug. Price, $4,100. Location, Versailles, Kentucky. Ready for its next adventure, this 1969 Volkswagen Baja Bug is a classic off-road project with plenty of character and a solid foundation for restoration or weekend trail fun. Built as a father and daughter project, this Baja features a recently rebuilt air-cooled Volkswagen flat-4 engine with relatively low miles since the rebuild, delivering dependable performance and the unmistakable sound that has made vintage VW-powered buggies legendary. Equipped with a manual transmission and a Weber carburetor, the engine starts and runs well, while a valuable collection of extra parts is included to complete the package. Among the extras is a desirable dual Del Orto 40mm carburetor setup, offering an excellent performance upgrade for enthusiasts looking to extract even more power from the classic flat-4 engine. 1914 Ford Model T Speedster pickup. Price, $8,900. Mileage, 1,000 miles. Location, Utica, Ohio. A charming piece of early American automotive history, This 1914 Ford Model T Speedster pickup captures the simplicity, character, and adventure of the pioneering days of motoring. Built in the classic Speedster style, this lightweight vintage Ford offers a fun and unique driving experience while staying true to the original Model T spirit. Power comes from the original style Ford Model T engine, paired with the factory Model T transmission and differential, maintaining the authentic mechanical feel that made the Model T an icon. A modern ignition system with a distributor has been added, making this vintage machine easier to start, more dependable, and enjoyable to drive. Finished in an attractive burgundy exterior with a black interior, this Speedster pickup combines historic styling with practical upgrades. Its compact size, open-air design, and easy operation make it an excellent choice for parades, car shows, community events, or relaxed weekend cruises. 1924 Ford T-Bucket Hot Rod. Price, $9,000. Mileage, 100,000 miles. Location, Kentucky, New Hampshire. A classic example of old-school hot rod creativity, this 1924 Ford T-Bucket Hot Rod delivers the unmistakable attitude, open-air excitement, and custom-built personality that make T-Buckets a favorite among enthusiasts. Built around an eye-catching orange tubular chassis with integrated roll bar system, this lightweight roadster combines vintage styling with powerful street machine character. Under the hood sits a V8 engine paired with an aluminum radiator for reliable cooling, while custom side exhaust pipes provide the aggressive sound expected from a traditional hot rod. The black fiberglass-style body is highlighted by custom flame graphics on the side panels, giving the car a bold appearance that stands out at every cruise night or car show. Inside, the T-Bucket features dual bucket seats, a classic wooden steering wheel, and a unique rear utility box designed with a Ford tailgate-style finish that houses the fuel tank and battery. 1923 Ford Model T. Price, $15,500. Mileage, 12,345 miles. Location, Dayton, Tennessee. A true piece of early American automotive history, this 1923 Ford Model T offers the timeless charm and simplicity that made the Model T one of the most important vehicles ever built. Maintaining much of its original character, this vintage Ford provides a unique opportunity to own a classic that represents the beginning of everyday automobile ownership in America. Powered by its original-style Ford Model T drivetrain, this historic machine delivers the authentic driving experience enthusiasts love, while being described as running great and ready to enjoy. The mostly original condition preserves the traditional styling, mechanical simplicity, and vintage appeal that collectors appreciate. Finished in a classic black exterior, this Model T carries the unmistakable look of the early Ford era. 2018 Vanderhall Venice Red Bull Custom. Price, $25,000. Mileage, 46,981 miles. Location, Columbus, Mississippi. A truly unique three-wheeled performance cruiser, this 2018 Vanderhall Venice Red Bull Custom combines exotic styling, open-air excitement, and eye-catching custom design into one unforgettable machine. Built to stand out, This one-of-a-kind Vanderhall features a bold red bull-inspired theme that makes it a guaranteed conversation starter wherever it goes. Powered by Vanderhall's lightweight performance platform, this Venice delivers a fun and engaging driving experience with responsive handling, sporty character, and the open cockpit feel of a classic roadster. Whether cruising city streets, attending car shows, or making appearances at events, this custom build attracts attention at every stop. Finished with a distinctive custom appearance, this Vanderhall is ideal for enthusiasts, collectors, promotional events, businesses, or anyone looking for something completely different from the ordinary vehicle scene. It runs and drives great, comes with a clean title, and has proven itself as a reliable head-turner.